Got quite a bit of snow and some quite colder than normal temperatures, at least for the last 4 or 5 years here in the south. And we're in Tennessee. As you guys can see, the ponds are frozen behind us. One of the keys to being able to get outside and enjoy the great outdoors and nature is having the right gear. And today, I got these gloves here. They're from Save Your Heat. Not paid to have these, just doing a quick review on them. The cool part about them is, and I already had them on, so I'm not going to turn them on for you right now, but they have 3 temperature settings here. And I can turn these on and run them for as long as I want. They're warm, they're comfortable, they're insulated. We got the batteries in here. You can, if you need to, remove the tip of your index fingers here to be able to do whatever you need to work on. Get those back, get them covered up. But the main thing is when you're outside enjoying the outdoors, you want to make sure that you have gear that works. If you go fishing, you want to make sure your fishing gear works. Hunting, anything else. So those cute gloves you could buy anywhere else, that's awesome. I'm telling you right now, I have some of those. They don't work when the temperatures drop. Also, you want to make sure that they are nice and leather, they're insulated. And depending on what you're getting into, that they're going to keep your fingers nice and warm and dry. All right, so here we are, we're unboxing the gloves. We're going to take a look at these. There's a lot of great components in here. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got the gift box, intelligent heating. Open it up here. Attention for usage details. Please refer to the manual. Please fully charge the battery before using. We got 1 pair of heated gloves. Those look nice. What else do we have in here? We have the US standard dual battery charger. Okay. We have the cords that come with that. The connection, the USB connection. We have, this is going to be the carry bag, which is very nice. It's almost like if you have a shaving kit. And then we have the user guide. So that's what the contents are inside. It says, "Dear buyer, if you're not satisfied with our products or they don't meet your requirements, then please feel free to contact us and return back the whole package with all accessories. Thank you." They do offer a 1-year warranty. So the user's guide is pretty simple. It's how to install the batteries. Well, some notes there. That all looks pretty simple. The battery power indicators. I'm not going to go through this whole and read this guide to you guys. English. Oh, only 1 to 2 pages of instructions. So guys, it has very easy to read and simple instructions inside. And yeah, I got your battery tool and care. So that's pretty simple. Now this is our dual battery charger. So it looks pretty simple. We got the cable here to plug into the charger. It looks like it's well constructed. And of course, obviously that's to plug into the battery. All right, so let's take a look at the gloves. They're wrist length. They're made out of sheepskin, polyester, cotton, and soft velvet. They look very high quality made. It says to hand wash only. So as we're looking at the gloves, they're well made. They have these Velcro tips here, and that is for you to actually remove that from the finger, and that will fasten back to the other Velcro that you have right here. And as far as the heating system, they have 3 settings that last up to 8 hours of battery life. So it heats up in 3 seconds, which that's pretty cool. So I like the camouflage pattern. It's used to blend in for a hunting scene. It has built-in electric heating element to ensure that your hands stay continuously warm in freezing environments. And it's equipped with smart touch technology. So that's really cool. These are waterproof and windproof. And that is to protect your hands from moisture and the cold wind. The cool part about it is it has a very lightweight design with wear-resistant materials that provides a comfortable and durable hunting experience. Now, y'all, I've had these on, I've tried them. Here we have the batteries. They are easy to charge up. Yeah, you take them out, they're high quality, they're polymer batteries. They plug in easy, they charge quickly. Just very well designed. And I just like how you can, from there, once you've charged them, you have this cord right here. You just pull that right out, and it has the cap. I put the cap back on it to keep it from having any type of rust. And if you see right here, you have the 2 plugs. You can charge both batteries at the same time. Guys, check out the link below. Get outside, go fishing, have fun, and we'll see you on the next cast.